Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to connect your Squarespace domain to your Odoo website. First, log into your Odoo account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon. Then, go to My Databases. From here, you can select the database you want to connect. Click the Settings gear icon and navigate to Domain Names. Here, you will see the option to connect your own domain. Click on Use My Own Domain. And this is for domains purchased outside of Odoo. In our case, we're using Squarespace. Now, let's switch over to Squarespace and log into your account. Click on your profile icon, then go to Domains. Find the domain you want to use, copy the domain name, then go back in Odoo. Type www dot and paste your domain into the domain field. Now, Odoo will provide you with a CNAME target. Copy that and head back to Squarespace, then go to DNS settings for your domain. Make sure your name servers are set to Squarespace default. If they've been changed for another service, switch them back. Now, scroll down to DNS records. Remove any CNAME records for www that aren't related to Odoo. Choose CNAME and set the host as www and paste your Odoo database name in the alias or data field. Click Save, and once that's saved, go back to Odoo and click Verify. If everything's set up correctly, you will see a green confirmation DNS configuration seems good. Click I confirm it's done, and Odoo will automatically generate an SSL certificate for your domain. This might take some time, usually up to 48 hours. If you visit your site and see a connection is not private warning, don't worry, your SSL certificate is still processing. Just give it a few hours, and once it's ready, your site will be secure and accessible via your Squarespace domain. And that's it. You have successfully connected your Squarespace domain to your Odoo website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.